Well, I certainly don't know how to use a Photoshop, and I bet there are many users who also doesn't know how to use a Photoshop or many costly softwares, which can help you remove the background image very easily. But with the help of this, which I'm going to show you, the trick, or you can say the website, you can remove your background image in 5 seconds. Yes, in just 5 seconds. So watch this video till the end so you have a permanent solution to how to remove a background image. So you need to open the browser in your system, and from here you need to type remove.bg and you need to visit this website. Here it says the remove image background free 100% automatically in 5 seconds without a single click. So here's the option: select a photo or enter a URL if you're already pasting a picture directly from the internet. So I'm selecting the photo which is available in my folders on my system. Let me just select it. So I will go to pictures, from save pictures. Here's the picture. Here it will ask for the captcha, select all squares. So I'll be just selecting it and verify. Once verify, it will start uploading. So let me just show you how the picture looks. So here's the picture. You can see the background with the bull and standing right here. So this is the picture and here's the background. So let me download it. Even though here is a little bit problem with that download not being completely removable, but that's okay. If you select a better picture, you can have the background completely removed from this website. Let me just save it. So I've saved it. Just let me show you that how I'm able to going to post that I'm standing in front of the Eiffel Tower. So here I'm using the other website and here I'm just posting it. So let me just download it. I just simply downloaded a picture from the net. So this is the Eiffel Tower and I've selected it. Here's the Eiffel Tower and here I will be posting my picture which I've downloaded after removing the background. So I'm selecting the image which I have downloaded. So you can see that this image has been downloaded. Now if I post it like that, it will look completely fake. Let me just post it below like this. Even though my image has been completely gone smaller, and I will post it over here like I'm standing in front of the Eiffel Tower and I'm taking the full picture of the Eiffel Tower. So let me just zoom it. So here it will look like this. So with the help of this software, you can easily remove the background image without using any of the Photoshop or any costlier softwares. And you can post it on the social media and post it like, wow, I roamed around the world, look at my pictures. I'm posting it around Eiffel Tower, I'm posting around Statue of Liberty, or I'm posting even around the Taj Mahal. So I hope you will like this solution or this website which removes your background image in just 5 seconds. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because this motivates me to make such videos.